What if I told you that you can start a real business from your bedroom using just a rupees 20,000 machine and start making more than rupees 80,000 a month? Even with zero experience. Sounds impossible, right? But stick with me for 3 minutes and I will show you how thousands of people in India are using this exact system to create custom products, make prototypes for startups, and design their own products and sell them online for a huge margin. Here's the reality. Right now, there are lakhs of students and entrepreneurs and young people trying to find a new source of income, trying to start their own businesses. They have tons of ideas, but they don't know how to go forward with them, how to turn those ideas into reality, and how to make it into a profitable money making business. They are stuck in different kind of online courses to earn money. They are trying to figure out what's a very good get rich quick scheme, or they are stuck with basically an idea which they can't turn into reality. But you and I both know how difficult freelancing is in today's world. But there is a new age skill which is not just creative but also in very high demand and has a huge potential for you to earn money. And that skill is 3D printing. A 3D printer is much more than just a machine, it is a business model in a box. It allows you to take your ideas from a piece of paper into the real world, and then you can make it just for yourself, sell it online, or license those designs outside to make the most out of it. Here are the things you can do with the 3D printer. You can make different kind of gifts and toys for other people. You can sell your own designs online. You can make prototypes for other startups, and you can also create your own product and sell it under your own brand name. This is one of the best opportunities for you to start a business right now. And here is the best part. You don't need to have a technical degree or any other engineering expertise to go forward and work in this domain. I will teach you each and everything you need to learn in this webinar to understand how you can go forward with the designing part, how you can move forward with the 3D printing part, what kind of tips and tricks do we have, and I will also show you the business models that have worked in the past, not only outside India, but also within our country. And this is why I have created this free but highly value packed webinar so that you can get a roadmap as to how to get successful and how to attain the goal of more than rupees 80,000 a month from just 3D printing. If you have the right skill set, which my goal is to provide you during this webinar. I will be telling you the kind of tools, softwares, all paid as well as the free ones, so that you can get the most out of your time. I will also be sharing the tips and tricks and the key ways in which you can find the right product niche, how you can start your own business in that niche, and how you can find customers who would be willing to pay for it. And this is not just theory. I have helped startups create entire products from scratch, just ideas on a napkin, all the way to final production. I have helped so many people in their designing problems. I have created spare parts, I have created different designs, and I've been able to do all of this without any kind of team or factory, right from my home office and alone. You can do the same and you can be successful as well in this venture. And all of this experience is what I am bringing to you in this quick 2-hour webinar. In this webinar, I am going to give you a step-by-step roadmap, a toolkit specifically designed to show you how the different kind of things work and what steps you need to take to get successful in this. Just by registering for this webinar, you will get access to a free ebook with all the tips and tricks you need to know before we come to the webinar and understand what the basics of 3D printing and about running this business are. As soon as you register for it, this ebook will be sent to you. It will be available for download. Register now using the link below this video because I will be doing it live and the slots are highly limited. So make sure that you register it as soon as possible. See you at the webinar.